channel. I'm Jordyn.
And I'm Janice.
And thank you so much for 10,000 subscribers.
Oh my gosh.
I never believed that we made
Thank
this
you.
far.
Thank you. We're amazing. Also, we did change our channel name.
Yeah.
That's just because Jordyn's going to be doing a lot more videos by herself. I'm still
She's
going to
not
be here.
leaving.
I'm not leaving. Where am I going to go? I don't know. But anyway, today we are going to
Forever 21.
to do some back to school clothing shopping, and we're going to take you guys along with us. So
Come
let's get
along
to
for
it.
that.
Before we do that though, remember to
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell.
ding ding ding. And let's go.
This is a cute outfit.
So cute.
Are you a pants or a skirt person at school? I'm personally a pants person. Vote in the comments below. Me too.
Okay, we get it.
It's cute.
Good.
It's cute. Weird. I don't know how to explain. If I'm gonna wear any dress, I'm gonna wear a banana dress. This is my size. It's my size.
All right.
I just got so lucky. If only they had purple.
That's cute.
Okay, so we got a bunch of stuff. Let's go try some stuff on. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. I'm rolling with. Look how cute! Rolling with my homies. More nice. I get it because it looks like a bandana. Look at they're like tattoo markers. This is cool. Be a unicorn and live on the bright side, guys.
All right, guys.
We got a
bunch of cute stuff, and Jordyn is going to haul them right now.
Right now, this
So that video will be up on Friday. We're gonna do the shopping vlog tomorrow. Or today.
Today.
Wednesday. I don't know.
know.
And then we'll put the haul up on Friday. I don't know my days. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for coming along with us. We had so much fun. And remember
We did.
to
Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff.
all that fun stuff. And we'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye.